Today, we're diving into the magical world of Leonardo, where simple doodles become masterpieces. Grab your digital pencil, because we're starting with a basic draft. You can use Paint, Canva, or any other tool, but make sure it's 832 x 640 pixels. Trust me, it makes a difference. Once your draft's ready, switch off those prompt magic and alchemy options and upload your work of art to Leonardo. Type out what you want to see, and don't forget to add sketch at the end. Hit generate, and let's see what magic unfolds. Feeling adventurous with your new images? You can take one and make it your new base and work from there. Play around with the image weight. A low weight opens the door to creativity. And a weight of 1 means small changes, keeping very close to the original. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Add some details to your prompt, switch on ControlNet and choose Edge to Image. Didn't turn out as planned? No worries, that's what editing's for. Keep working on the prompt until it's just right.
2 hours later.
Got something interesting? Awesome. Now we're taking it to the next level by giving it some 3D vibes. Adjust the prompt for that 3D touch. Boom. We've got something beautiful. Let's zoom in though. A blurry face and an extra arm. Time for AI Canvas tool. First, delete that extra arm and prompt for a sky. Wow, that looks good. Now let's fix the face using the mask tool, rendering it smoothly with the render density feature. It's like magic, just better, but we're not done yet. Let's add a sandcastle for fun with the same mask tool. Mask the area. Adjust your prompt. And don't forget to bring this square to indicate the area we are working with. Adjusting the square to cover enough of our image to influence the result, and adjusting the render density to have smoother results. In no time, we got some castles to choose from. So far, so good. I really like how it looks now, but let's try another thing. This sky looks a bit empty. We should invite an alien spaceship using our Sketch-to-Image tool. This tool helps us to draw a colorful sketch and blend it into our creation using a prompt. We are almost done. Now we have to adjust the frame's size and density. Don't forget to switch to the Sketch-to-Image mode. Type the prompt for our spaceship. Click on Generate. Voila! Look at that transformation. From a simple sketch to a creative masterpiece, all thanks to the incredible Leonardo.